As mentioned from our previous video, we're gonna pick a random succulent to pot or propagate from there. So we picked this because it's so big and it won't stand up without a stick. So we have to propagate it first. Before that, I'm gonna update you about this experiment. Euphorbia grafted onto a blue boy cactus. So after a month, it started to dry out. So our conclusion for this: you cannot graft a euphorbia onto a cactus. At first, this propagation was successful just by looking at it for about a month, but now it's starting to dry off. So that's our conclusion. Let's go back to this. Our next video is gonna be exciting because we're gonna talk about soil mix, DIY soil mix for different types of succulents. Like for example, what is the best soil mix for lithops, for indoor succulents, and for outdoor succulents. So we're gonna talk about that in our next video, so stay tuned. We're just gonna plant it until here, a little deeper. Fertilizer. I ran out of systematic insecticide. Normally I would add a systematic insecticide whenever we put. So yeah, on our next video we're gonna do what are the different kinds of soil mix you can use on your succulents and cactus. See you. So big now.